Hello everyone, we're going to be doing homework number 7's number 16. And instead of using 8 samples, and in which the population variance is unknown, the distribution that should be used to calculate confidence intervals is blank. So right now we're trying to figure out degrees of freedom. Now degrees of freedom is an integral part of T distribution, which is what we're going to cover more as I do the homework. But right now let's just focus on degrees of freedom. So, degrees of freedom, how do we get it? Well, to get degrees of freedom, it's df, as degrees of freedom right here, is equal to the sample size minus 1. Pretty simple. So, what is our sample size? Well, it just gives us straight out, and instead of using 8 samples, so therefore, n equals 8. Now, we're going to find the degrees of freedom, or df for short. So what we know right now is degrees of freedom is equal to n, or the sample size, minus 1. We know that n, or the sample size, is equal to 8. So now we're going to substitute 8 for n, as shown here. Degrees of freedom is equal to 8 minus 1. So 8 minus 1 equals 7, equals degrees of freedom. So that is going to be C. A T distribution with 7 degrees of freedom is our answer.